afternoon, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is James F. Bunyaw, section G2E-1. This is my video. Damage stability determination is critical aspect of ship design and safety, ensuring that vessels remain afloat and stable after sustaining damage such as from collision or groundings. The International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SOLAS, particularly Chapter 1-1, outlines that criteria and methodologies for assessing and ensuring damage stability. Key concepts in damage stability under SOLAS Chapter 2-1. Number 1. Probabilistic damage stability approach. In 2006, the International Maritime Organization IMO adopted comprehensive amendments to SOLAS Chapter 2-1, transitioning from a deterministic to a probabilistic approach for assessing damage stability. These methods evaluates a ship's ability to survive various damage scenarios based on statistical probabilities, offering a more flexible and comprehensive assessment compared to the previous deterministic method. Number 2. Attained and required subdivision index ANR. Attained subdivision index A represents the calculated probability of a ship surviving specific damage scenarios. It is determined by analyzing various potential damage cases and their associated survival probabilities. Required subdivision index R denotes the minimum acceptable probability of survival mandated by SOLAS, varying based on ship type, size, and service. For a ship to be compliant, its attained index A must be equal to or greater than the required index R. Number 3. Factors influencing damage stability. Several factors are considered in the probabilistic assessment. Fifth factor, probability of a specific compartment being damaged. S factor, probability of the ship surviving after the compartment is damaged. Permeability represent the volume of a compartment that can be occupied by water, affecting buoyancy and stability. The combination of these factors across various damage scenarios contributes to overall attained index A. Number 4. Deterministic elements. While the probabilistic method is primary, certain deterministic requirements remain, especially for passenger ships. These include in specific damage cases to ensure that ships are not designed with vulnerable areas that could compromise safety. Number 5. Explanatory notes in amendments. To aid in the uniform application of this regulation, the IMO has issued explanatory notes in amendments. Resolution MSC 429 Rev 1 provides revised explanatory notes to the SOLAS Chapter 2-1, offering guidance on interpreting and applying the subdivision and damage stability regulation. Resolution MSC 47-402 introduced amendments to address clarification and revision related to damage stability requirements, including the handling of survival probabilities and watertight integrity. Importance of the stability. Ensuring adequate damage stability is vital for the safety of life at sea. By adhering the criteria set forth in SOLAS Chapter 2-1, ship designer and operators can enhance the survivability of vessels in adverse conditions. Their by protecting passengers, crew, and cargo